Hi, first grade friends. I hope everyone's doing really good and that you've had a good week so far. We started this week with Monday, and then we had Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday was yesterday. If yesterday was Thursday, what comes after Thursday and what is today? If you said Friday, you are correct. And that also means it's Fun Friday. We're going to have a fun activity planned for later, and I'd love for you to get on the Zoom meeting and share your creation with everyone else. If I follow Friday down, I'm going to see our date. Do you see what number it is? We can also think, if yesterday was April 23rd, what is today? Or what is one more than 23? 24. So my date is Friday, April 24th, and the year is 2020. Today, though, we're going to work on segmenting sounds. When we segment, we separate each sound and we think about what they sound like and what letter is making that sound. So we can do that to help us spell words. So you can also think about Stretchy the word snake, and Stretchy the word snake would pull apart the sounds and you just focus on one sound at a time. All right, so our I can statement today is I can segment sounds to spell a word. I'm going to say it again and I want you to say it with me. I can segment sounds to spell a word. Remember, segmenting is pulling apart sounds and thinking about what each sound is. We're going to be using something called alkaline boxes. These kind of boxes help us think about the different sounds in the word. So when we think about alkaline boxes, we also think about CVC words. That means consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's go over what consonants are and what vowels are. Consonants are any letter in the alphabet that is not A, E, I, O, or U, and they normally only have one sound. So you have some on your board, and you might remember our poster from our classroom. Then V stands for vowels. Vowels are the 5 letters in the alphabet that have 2 different sounds. Vowels either have their short sounds or their long sounds. Long sounds say their name. Their short sounds are the ones we are a little bit more used to though. So let's go over the short vowel sounds, and we're also going to be working just with short vowels today. So we can say A says ah, E says eh, I says I, O says ah, and U says ah. So let's focus on CVC words. So CVC, we're going to be thinking about a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. Our first word is lap. So I want you to either point to the screen like this or use your hand and stretch out on your hand. So I'm going to try and do both with you guys. So our first word is lap. L, a, p, lap. All right, so if I stretch this out, what says oo, what says a, and what says p? Did you get L-A-P? If you got L-A-P, you are correct. I can double check by rereading my word or sounds and blending them together. O, a, p, lap. All right, our next one is the word hot. So we can say hot. H, a, t. Hot. Did you get H-O-T? If you got H-O-T, you are correct. Our next word is the word bus. So let's say bus together and stretch the sounds. Bus. B-a-s. What says b? What says a? What says s? Did you get B-U-S? If you did, you are correct. Let's double check. B-a-s. Bus. We can also use 3 boxes for words that have digraphs. So let's think about the word fish. 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 How many sounds did you hear? 3. That's because digraphs we learned only make one sound. So let's think about, did you get these letters? Fish. If you did, you are correct. Now you can also have digraphs at the beginning of the word and not just the end. Let's think about the word them. Can you say them with me? Them. Them. What says f? Did you say th? Then you are correct. F, is e, and is m. Them. Now we're going to use Elcalon boxes for 4-letter words. So CCVC words or CVCC words. We're mainly going to focus on the CCVC words, which are consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. Can you think of any words that would be consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant? These are going to be words that have our blends in them. So when we think about our blends, we think about our L blends, R blends, and our S blends. Let's take the word grip for an example. Can you say grip? Grip. G, I, P. How many sounds did it have? 2, 3, 4. It had 4 sounds, so that is why we have the 4 boxes. Let's do some practice together. Our first word is the word clap. So let's say clap and then stretch the sounds. Clap. K, U, A, P. Clap. K, U. What blend do you hear first? K, U. C, L. And what is our vowel sound? A. A and P. If you got C-L-A-P, you are correct. We can double check by re-sounding it out and blending those sounds together. K, U, A, P. Clap. Let's do another one. Our next word is the word slug. So let's say slug and then stretch out the sounds. Slug. S, U, A, G. Slug. S, U, S, U. What's our blend? S-L. What says U. What says G? G. Did you get S-L-U-G? Good job. All right, do you recognize this character? His name is Fred. Let's say the name Fred and stretch the sounds. Fred. F, D. Fred. F, What blend do you hear? Did you get F-R? Then you are correct. What says E, and D? Did you get F-R-E-D? If you did, you are correct. So you're going to take what you know about segmenting words by stretching out the sounds and separating them and think about what does each sound like and what letter is saying that sound. That's going to really help us to start spelling words on our own. So we also have something like this for seesaw, and you are going to think about what the picture is of. So here I would say gum, and I would stretch G, You can take your time and you can go over it again using your fingers and put the first letter in the first box, middle letter in the middle box, and ending letter in the last box. So some of them are going to be CVC words like the word gum. Some might have digraphs, and some are going to have some blends. Have fun, first grade, and if you have any questions, please let me know.